guys, so before I get started with anything, I'm going to go ahead and remove the combs from this wig. This wig came with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle, and personally, combs just get in the way when it comes to a frontal wig. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I have a full tutorial below if you guys want to check it out, and this is pretty much what the hairline looks like before I do any plucking. So I'm going to go ahead and start plucking the hairline to get a more natural look. And before I get ready to secure this wig down, I'm just going to put it on my head, cut some more of the lace off, and cut these sideburns off as well so it can fit behind my ear. Now that I got the lace looking the way I want it to look, I'm going to go ahead and secure the unit down. I did use the Got To Be Glued gel. I don't know what happened to the clip of me installing the hair, but I'll have a link below for you guys to check out if you want to see a full install. And then once the wig is secured, I'm going to follow up with a head scarf. Tie this really tight around your head. It's going to help with making your wig flat, and it's also going to help your wig stick. And the wig that I'm using today is from Ywigs. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. It is 20 inches. The density on this wig is 180%, which is, I feel, very true because this is a very thick, full wig. And the type of hair is Brazilian human hair, and the hair texture is a water wave. Alright, so moving on to the next look, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig into a ponytail, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to secure this wig down. This frontal looks so freaking good, and this wig is so flat. Like, this is crazy. Gonna go ahead and tint the lace using my Makeup Forever powder foundation. This just gets rid of that white lace look. So next I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair back up, put a scarf around my head, and then proceed to putting a bun on. This is very, very crucial when you are trying to do an up style look, because putting a scarf on is going to keep your wig secured so that it does not move. You're also going to be able to get a tight ponytail or a tight bun. Also, it keeps your head or your hair from like looking big and bulky, kind of like a helmet. Alright, so the last style is this low sleek bun, and I actually love this look because it reminds me so much of like a natural hairstyle. Do y'all see this frontal though? Like, oh my god, this frontal looks so freaking good. And do you see how flat this wig is? Oh my god, like I had no idea it looked this good. So yeah, like I was saying, I love this particular style because it mimics like a natural hairdo. You know, when we wear, or yes girl, you know I'm natural now. But when you have like a poof ball, and that's the look that I came up with when I was using this wig. This look right here looks so freaking natural. Like, oh my god, do you see that? So don't judge me. I need to get my husband to shape me up back there because it's looking kind of crazy. Plus I need to kind of gel it up, but I got braids underneath this wig, so I don't think that would look good. I think that would be a no for me. But yeah, this is the cute little bun that I love so much. Wow, this is a really, really nice wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, everything will be below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.